Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the battery and device care. Now we have to find the device protection, which is, as you can see, turned off. So let's simply tap on it and then tap on turn on. Tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got no threads found. However, I highly recommend to scan your tablet. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see, your device will right now scan itself. So it will scan all of the apps and kind of processes in order to find any malware, viruses, or any kind of problems. If it will find anything, it will of course show you the information that there are some actions which you can take. So for example, update the system for better security, etc. Or if everything looks fine, it will show you the information that no worries, no threats has been detected, so everything is okay. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.